In the area of Kiev-Pechersk Lavra, near the entrance to the distant caves, there is a temple of the Nativity of the Blessed Virgin Mary. And the temple is located on the hill near the entrance to the caves. It was built up in 1767 instead of wooden temple which used to be here. The bell tower was erected a little bit lately, and the wooden iconostasis was made in 1784 in the Rococo style. The church itself was heavily damaged during the Second World War, and only in our days in Soviet Union time in 1966-1970 it was renovated. Bell tower, by the way, is usually closed, but you can enter inside the church. Near the church there is a cemetery. There is different graves. For example, Bishop Volodymyr is here, who died in 2014. By the time I've read this, is the only newest grave. The graves are dated, as we can see, for example, 1921 or even middle of 19th century. Frankly speaking, I didn't find any information about the cemetery internet, so I can't comment anything. But as we see, these graves sometimes they are dated even 1765. So the cemetery is more than 250 years. And the temple inside is not big, rather small, let's to say. Also, we can observe that it's after renovation. Even it was 50 years ago, but it looks like rather new. So, the Church of the Nativity of the Blessed Virgin